Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm the business owner for an entertainment media company, and I give Typeform a 5. So other software I've used was Google Docs, Google Surveys, Google anything, and it's worked okay, but I also have used other platforms as SurveyMonkey and other just kind of software tools to get surveys out to my customers. So the reason I chose Typeform was the easy integration to my website. I literally had to just copy a little bit of code and put it right on my website. It was literally as easy as copy and pasting like a web address. So easy. So I used that, and then I also liked how easy it was to customize the questions and answer selections and kind of compare on what Typeform worked better than others and getting the information I wanted. So Typeform was very easy to integrate into my website. It's literally as easy as just copying a code and pasting it into the website. And my customers had no problem using that over what we've used previously. So my recommendations for using Typeform is try the free version. I really suggest just seeing if that's something that your customers actually want or need, and experimenting around with the different types of questions, types of answers that they might give, and just kind of what that valuable information you may receive would be from the Typeform. You can also go up and upgrade from there on, but definitely start with the free plan.